Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Jai with the latest lifestyle, entertainment, just parties, all and everything. Remember when Bohez shut down Lagos as the first female Nigerian with a cyber truck, white on white everything. Congratulations! This is lit, this is popping. Enjoy guys for more. This is what dreams are made of. The Nigerian dream, Bohez, Ore, Hilda Basi, Ore, and colleague of Amare Reginald, Uloma, Onuzurike. Guys, Mayfair on this one. Love this. Cybertruck. Special delivery. Guys, like to subscribe and enjoy for more. Let's watch as she receives her car with the most stress. Her whip, her machine, her truck. See how this sets her apart amongst her peers. This is what dreams are made of. Pretty mother of beautiful children. Hair boss extraordinaire. So, see that. See the machine. Oh, shit. Special delivery. Bohez. Congratulations. Congratulations. I like to subscribe. Enjoy for more. This is what dreams are definitely made of. Enjoy, guys. Love it. Bohez, your car is here. See this beautiful estate. I'm sure everybody was also looking through their windows watching as this whip entered in style, entered big things popping. All along. I'm sure the house is just, a button away to set everything, remote control house, everything from weather to Alexa. This house must be techie, tech everything. Guys, like, share, subscribe. This is the beginning of a new era. Guys, like, share, subscribe. Do you guys own a Cybertruck? Tell us like it is how you want it to be. Enjoy, guys, for more. This is lovely. This is what dreams are made of. Jairia reporting, like, share, subscribe. Bohez, come take delivery of your whip. I love her in Wani Fuga Ensemble, Lush Love, and her Christine Dior bag. Okay, Rodeo. Is she preggy? Is she pregnant? Guys, like, share, subscribe. Big Girl of Lagos, Bohez. Okay, and Chanel slippers. Love that. Inches, 26 inches. Long hair. Guys, like, subscribe, enjoy for more. Bohez on this one. Congratulations, darling. Like, subscribe, enjoy for more. This is beautiful. This is lush. I love white. White house, white car, white whip. Oh my god, they don't use key to open this car. Yes. Sometimes you can be raz, but you guys catch the drifts. Congratulations. Balloons everywhere. This is big things popping. Spinning, spun. Enjoy. Tiaraba. Okay. 400 million naira car. Oh shit. Baddest beach in Lagos. Baddest beach I see in Lagos. Congratulations, Bohem. I love this. Her store is somewhere in Lekki. After Ascon, just go straight down. You see Bohez. Patronize her. Keep the money flowing. Guys, like, share, subscribe, comment below for more. Mayfair. Regular. Talk and do. Delivery on point. Packaging on point. This is beautiful. Like, share, subscribe, comment below for more. Share it like it is. Send a prayer to her. You see how they opened the car. Just a button away. See the interior. See the state of the art functions. This is beautiful. This is lush. This is lit. Guys, like, share, subscribe, enjoy for more. Enjoy. Yes, guys, comment below, enjoy, like, share, subscribe. Comment below, enjoy for more.